Here I have the Apple 2024 MacBook Pro laptop with a M4 Pro 14-core CPU, 20-core GPU with a 14.2-inch liquid retina display, 1 terabyte solid-state drive in space black. And so, curious about it. Intel 7 here is just not enough power for what I needed. And so I am going to unbox this and give it a try. So this has the MagSafe 3. And I don't know if I was too crazy about the MagSafe. We'll see how that goes. One of the things is that I do like the USB-C, but I guess you can still use a USB-C on this. It does have a 12.5 megabit center stage webcam, which would be nice, so I don't have to put the extra webcam on top of mine just to get the quality that I need. After 3 years of Apple Care, just because I don't want to break this and not be able to just take it in and get a new one or get it replaced. I think that's what they promise. So here it is. This is sleek. It's nice. You can see how it's just super clean. I opened it up. It does have like touch on the keyboard. I wish they would put it on the monitor instead, so that when you close your laptop at the office, you can touch the back of your monitor. I think that would be a nice thing. If Apple's watching, that would be really nice if it was just on the back of the monitor. It has the MagSafe and then the lightning drives. It looks like it has a slot for, and this is just me, but it's nice because it has the built-in, HDMI, which is nice. So then if you don't have your dongle, you can still like hook up to the office. And I don't know if this is like an SD slot maybe. I do like the fact that they still have a headphone jack. I think that's nice. And I think I would get to like the MagSafe, but I do still like USB-C, just because then I don't have to go buy like a proprietary charger when this wears out. And one of the things that I've found is that when these wear out, like if you get a short in them or whatever, do not plug them back into your laptop, because I did have one of my laptops that shorted out because of that. So when this like gets frayed or whatever, just buy a new one, because I've plugged them in before and I lost my display, I lost all my lightning ports, everything. It's like designed by, I like that, designed by Apple in California. A little booklet. So I know some people keep this stuff because then they sell it, like then they sell the box. It seems to be a nice thing. Nothing extra special there. This is nice that this is like my other ones, so I don't have to like have something special like the MagSafe, so I can actually use my other USB-C. I wish they gave me a USB-C as well. USB-C to USB-C here, like lightning port or whatever, lightning cable, just because it seems like it would have been like an extra nice little, because if I can't find my MagSafe or whatever, then I can just have an extra. One of the things that I wish that they did here, and I don't know if you can see this, but they put the power port on one side. And sometimes that's just like a little bit of an inconvenience, just because like in my other one, I could plug it in on either side. So what I wish that they did here was I wish that this would actually plug into the wall charger, because if this plugged into the wall charger, then I could switch it. Or if they even gave me an adapter so I could switch it on either side of this. So you're stuck having it on, like I'm sitting here in this chair, my power is over there, I'm over here, and I have to drag the power to one side of the computer, which I don't think was well thought out, in a sense that like I want to plug it in on this side so that it's not crossed over, and that would shorten the life of my cable. So that is kind of an inconvenience, I guess, and 3 ports for lightning cable. I guess because they have the HDMI on there, that's probably fine. But I do think that the MagSafe is nice. I like MagSafe. Still like MagSafe, but I don't like that I'm forced to use it on that one side. That's it. So there was the unboxing. It was that simple.